Let's talk about hair. Hair grows on top of our head. Some people have very short hair. Other people let their hair grow long. Hair can be straight and smooth. Some hair is curly instead. Wavy hair sits between straight and curly. Hair also comes in many colors. Some people have deep black hair. Other people have soft brown hair. Some people have light blonde hair. A few people have bright red hair. Some people dye their hair a new color. Older people often have gray or white hair. We wash our hair with shampoo every day. Some people also use conditioner after shampoo. We use a comb to make our hair neat. A brush can also smooth out our hair. Hot, humid weather can make our hair look frizzy. Many people tie their hair back in a ponytail. Some people wear a neat braid instead. Others put their hair up in a round bun. Short bangs can cover the forehead. Some people wear a wig for a different look. A hairdresser cuts and styles our hair. Many people visit a salon for a new look. Some hair feels thick and heavy. Other hair feels thin and light. People often try a new hairstyle for change. Every person's hair looks a little different.